எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். This is Keerthana and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm gonna take you guys to a quick trip to Chennai with me. But before we get into the video, if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon for post notifications. Now let's get this video started. I know what you guys are wondering. Today I didn't put any makeup on my face because I'm gonna travel for 14 hours straight. Why do I need makeup when I have my mask on? So these are my luggage. Only one bag that I'm gonna carry today, and one is handbag, and this one is dinner my mom made for me for tonight. Since I will be eating in train, she made some rotis and she made some aloo sabji as well, and water bottle. So what I carry in my handbag is that for a quick trip. So the first and foremost thing that I keep in my purse is sanitizer spray. So whenever I get into an auto or train seat, before sitting I would spray this and then I will sit. Next thing is sanitizer, hand sanitizer. It's a must, right? So yeah. And next a power bank. Come on, we youth need power bank. Without that we are not gonna go anywhere, or we're not gonna go travel anywhere also. And earphones, it's a must. Next I have eyeliner, lipstick, a comb, and address proof is a must, right, whenever we are traveling. So it will be helpful for any purpose. So I will carry one address proof as well. I will also keep 2 spare surgical masks because I'm traveling in train. So I will obviously wear double mask, with one with cloth and one with surgical mask, but I'm having this for safety purpose as well. So now I'm all set, ready and done. Now I'm waiting for my auto. I have booked an auto and I'm waiting for the arrival. And now I got into an auto. I don't know why it suddenly started to drizzle while I was in auto. And I've reached Secunderabad railway station. After I reached, thank goodness, I was lucky. It wasn't a drizzle anymore. It rained heavily. Hyderabad is so good at unannounced trains, you know. And then I got my train. I couldn't exactly talk anything while shooting in train because many people were there, so I kind of felt shy, I guess. And then time passed by watching some Netflix shows that I've downloaded. Then I guess at 8 or 8:30 I had my dinner that my mom gave. Damn, it was really tasty. Thank you for such a tasty food, Mom. It was 10 on 10. And then I slept. Kalai Vanakkam Chennai. I got on the train and then I'm on my way to get some coffee. Whenever I get down at Chennai Central, I would get filter coffee from Adayar Anandabhavan. The coffee is kind of costly maybe because it's 32 rupees, but trust me guys, it's worth it. It's worth it. Because a girl needs a coffee. And I was so lucky that he was preparing coffee at that time while I asked, so I got to shoot it as well. My filter copy is ready. Damn, it was so good. It was so good. I was so happy after that sip. Duh. So this is Chennai Central Railway Station, guys. Now it's called as MGR Central. And then I was on my way to get a local train to travel intercity. I used to travel a lot through local trains during my college days. That was before COVID, and I was actually lucky that no one was there in train. It was pretty empty and was not crowded. And I'm almost at my destination. So my friend has been waiting for me, and even she is taking a video of me. She's such a cutie pie. She really is my cutie pie. எவ்வளோ நேரமாக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? 10 நிமிஷம். See, she's been waiting for me for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. இந்த பொண்ணு பேசிக்கிட்டே இருக்குங்க எப்போ பாரு. She always keeps on talking. பேசலனாதான் உனக்கே போர் அடிக்குது. I'm is going right with her. எல்லாரும் பாருங்க பாருங்க. பாத்தீங்களா அந்த பொண்ணு ஒழுங்கா ஓட்ட மாட்டா, அதனால தான் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டைலாக் சொல்றா. And yeah, these are my friends, guys. And imagine a scenario where you used to meet your friends every now and then, but then all of a sudden you couldn't meet just because you moved to different state. That really sucked for me, but then I understood the reality, because at one point we all would have been caught up with some or the other thing, so we should move on. And now I'm totally fine with it, because that's the reality and I understood the reality, and it's not that bad. So this is basically the first time I went to Chennai after shifting to Hyderabad. And I went to beach because the one thing that I missed after coming to Hyderabad was my friends and beach. So yeah, these are all the memories of the last time I went. And then I was returning back home. One of my friend came along for some time. Then she got on at her destination. Bye bye Chennai. And here we go again. I'm at Chennai Central once more. And I really want to thank my friend's parents, and especially her mom, for packing me an amazing dinner for night. So yeah. So I'm back home, guys, and I'm safe and healthy as well. And I feel like I couldn't exactly completely shoot the scenes while I was returning home to Hyderabad. That's because I was really tired while I got the train in Chennai, and that's the reason why I couldn't exactly completely shoot it. That's why I'm making this short video to share my experience as well. And this is basically a short trip, as I have mentioned earlier. I just stayed in Chennai for like 1 day, and we traveled a lot in the time that me and my friends got. And going to Chennai after 6 to 7 months is really made me happy and peaceful, meeting my friends after such a long period. Actually, I thought of going to Chennai a week earlier, but unfortunately I couldn't. And there's also a part 2 continuation video is coming for this vlog. So I hope you guys will also enjoy that vlog. And I'm not gonna talk anything about that vlog. Maybe you should just wait and see it, because I really hope that you guys would really love it. And I really want to thank one of my friend Ranjani, because she actually lives far away from where I lived previously, and she came from such a long distance in such short notice, and I'm really grateful even this time. And I was so happy meeting you as well. To my other friends whom I couldn't meet, I will make sure that next time when I come to Chennai, hopefully we will meet and we will definitely celebrate it. And as I've mentioned in my previous videos, if you have seen, I basically lived in Chennai for so long, and there will be some unbreakable bond between the city. So there are some things that I wanted to uh, bring along with me, and it will be a sweet and mixture. I bought mini badshahs from Gupta Bhavan. It's one of the most popular North Indian restaurant over there. And my mom loves it so much. And believe me, guys, that's nothing like the normal badshahs. Its taste is really authentic. And one more sweet is Mysore Pak. It's actually Mysore Pak, but I got it from Sri Krishna Sweets. It's a very popular sweet shop, especially for Mysore Pak, and my dad loves it. Trust me when I tell you guys, because I basically don't like sweets that much, but I really love that Mysore Pak because the texture is so soft, and whenever you have it in your mouth, it just dissolves just like that. It's made out of pure ghee, and it's really unique and taste. It really tastes like heaven. Visiting my hometown is really special for me, and I really hope I get to go to Chennai one more time again, because after this I don't know when, if my schedules are perfect and are not clashing, then it's fine. But I really hope I will go once again. Really, really hope. And to all the friends that I haven't met, I hopefully I will try to make it up for you guys, because we all tried to meet, but some other way we couldn't. And you will also be knowing the reason for this sudden quick trip to Chennai in my next video. So basically, yeah, that's it. This is what I want to let you guys know in this short clip after my trip. So yeah, see ya. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for more content, stay tuned to my channel. And do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on that bell icon for post notifications. And until next video, peace.